In this video, I'll show you how to get coupon codes for Sephora. If you find this video useful, drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, on my mobile device, I'm going to open up Google. And now in Google, I'm going to type in coupon codes for Sephora. Then I'm going to hit enter. And then if I scroll down, you can see different third-party websites offering discounts. So you got Coupon Nation of 60% off, Join Honey, Groupon, Real Tell Me Not, Lifehacker, Marie Claire, etc. So any one of these sites will work. So for this demonstration, I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to click into Real Tell Me Not, 15% off Sephora promo codes with a $10 cashback. So what you can do here, once you're inside Real Tell Me Not, you can scroll down and you can check out their coupons. So you got 10% off your purchase, and it's got 1.5k users today. So to activate this deal, simply click on it, or any deal on this website here. So if you want 15% off your order, simply click onto that link here. And now copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Sephora to activate your 15% off that order.